Okay, hello friends. So, it's currently 8:55 and, I have to get ready for the day. I'm just going to get changed now. Yeah, okay, TTYL. This is the look that we got going on today. Pretty snazzy. The shirt is one that Maggie got me. It's from Hollister. This necklace is from Guess. So it just says Guess Los Angeles on it. The skirt is from H&M. Oh my god. Oh, it's Tyler. Hello? I buried her dead body in the backyard. Just kidding, here she is. Okay, so I finished like getting ready. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go outside and I'm gonna take some pictures of my outfit. Why is it moving? Okay, so I just had a nice little, you know, photo shoot with myself. It didn't really turn out the best because, yeah, I think I'm gonna go pick up my car now, which is good because I really want my car back. Crap, I'm locked out. She locked me out. She really did that to me. Melly? Are you there? Okay guys, the time is coming. Oh my god, it has been almost 3 weeks without my car. Okay guys, hey, so we're currently in Walmart. The good thing about this camera being so small is that I'm not worried about anybody seeing it. Look at my double chin. That was disgusting. This place scares me so much. Because it just does. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, you're such a good baby.
That's kind of.
Look at this bad boy.
Oh, that's your camera.
I'm filming you right now.
Oh.
I am filming you right now.
Terrific.
Tyler! What?
Come check out my Zen garden.
Oh, you actually made the Zen garden?
Another smiley face.
Oh, okay. Oh my god.
It's so demonic. You're giving it teeth.
That's a large tooth.
That is a very large tooth.
I love you so much. What are you doing? No! I'm gonna bring my camera with me so I can record the ghost. I will in the basement. I will get it on camera. I'm gonna edit this back on when I see a ghost. I want some. I have to leave to go pick up some gifts, more gifts. And then I have to go to some graduation parties. So it's 11:45. Nope, just kidding. 11:36. I just want to know how I managed to mess that one up. So I'm like on my way to one of the parties now. I think the first thing that I have to do is go get gas, and then I can just do whatever until then. So I'm not gonna vlog and go on the main street with this. I'll talk to you guys later. There's a ton of sugar in this. It's really good though, and that's probably why. I'm gonna head to Steph's party now. Okay, so these are like the presents that we got them, and I don't want to open it. This is for Steph, and I got the same thing for Colleen. We just got them like, crap. We just got them ornaments that say like 2019 like grad and everything. And then we just got them $15 Dunkin' Donuts gift cards because you can never go wrong with coffee. This coffee is kind of making my stomach hurt, not gonna lie. Also, on my presents, I just wrote like things to like to them. So weekend in my life. Hey guys. Hello. And we're at a nice little grad party right now. Yes. So much fun. It is approximately 3:30 maybe, I don't even know. 3:47. She has an Apple Watch. We got the grad right there. Kayla's going to be doing a little weekend in my life with all the grad celebrations because we got a few today. So yeah, you know, just to celebrate some. I'm leaving now and I'm going down to the yacht club. This was after the second graduation party I went to. You scared me so. My dad's telling me to beg for money if I need food.
Man, this thing makes people actually look good.
Oh, I know, compared to the other one.
Yeah.
Here we are. Hi. And I'm eating some barbecue chips. Okay. It is 6:41, and I left the graduation party at like 5:50, and I came down here.
Hello. Hi.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Put the F1 filter in.
She's so cute.
Alexa's coming down later.
Oh my god, we
Why
have.
did you get a new camera?
Hey guys, it's Kayla, bro.
How old's your other camera?
Like 3 years old.
It's so tiny.
Oh, hello. Yeah.
If you want to come now.
I'll do what those people do. Ready? The YouTubers. It's currently
Okay, 3.
6:59.
Because you're blocking the thing back there.
Please not. That's baloney.
Bye guys.
She looks so cute in part of the elite squad.
Emma, it's my turn.
Dun dun dun.
I want to be in it.
Why is this door open?
Oh my god, I'm not going to enjoy editing this. That was absolutely
I'm gonna choke.
I think that was worse than Jack's speech.
Excuse me, did you park in the rear camera spot?
I did. My dad's drew a comment, why can't I park there?
Because what happens if he comes?
Well, yeah, I don't think he can. He's not even in the state right now.
Okay, we got the elite squad, and right here's her name.
Did you say Kayla is disgusting? That was Emma.
Kayla Knudsen.
Hey Kayla.
So it's my yacht club. Now I just feel awkward in front of all these people.
I feel awkward holding this thing. It's the wrong way.
Follow me, I don't know where we're going.
Once you realize the door's locked. Well, right now, you have to get your membership back at the gym. Just bleep this part out. Let's start off. Okay, she's definitely gonna break the tripod again. Guys.
No, I didn't. It was like that.
Oh my god. Couple goals. Couple
He's still our sacrifice if we go anywhere else.
And yeah, like, they don't know what it was. I think it was drugs.
I didn't do that.
Oh my god, wait, you can't be recording this. Look at how foggy it is. Freezing. I know, it's so cold, I'm sprinting.
I'm so confused. It's so funny.
It's a funny name. Did you just snort? I did. Who named their kid Jerry? Really sorry if you name your kid Jerry. It was a name that I had made up so that we could talk about people without them knowing, and then I just found it so funny, so I apologize, even if your name is Jerry.
It's a pillow?
Yeah, because that goes down and it fills in the gaps.
The gaps?
Jack, say hi.
Gaps.
Jack, say hi.
Jerry.
Curtain number 1.
Jerry. Kayla's going to school for vlogging. It's so awkward when Emma had her friends over there.
Why?
Because they hated half of them.
Well, what happens if I pull this off?
Right.
You die. Welcome. Kayla, move your head. You're in the way.
Hi, vlog.
Jack, what's your name?
Jerry.
Emma, what's your name?
Jerry.
Kayla, what's your name?
Jerry.
Also, what are you doing?
There's a fire ant. Do you say there's a fire ant?
A fire hydrant.
Yeah, Emma.
You're so mean.
Who is he?
For most of these clips, you just have to listen to like what we're saying in the background and not actually what is being filmed because it's so funny.
Emma, who do you have a crush on?
No one.
Me.
She's typing. Ah.
Hey guys, it's Kayla Bro here.
Why? Okay. That is very obnoxious, Jack.
Hey guys, it's Jerry here. Jose.
Hi, Jerry.
Jerry knows.
With an H. Oh my god, that's your name, Edna. Oh my god.
I'm recording!
Oh my god, I just got a text message like, who's Jerry?
Who said that? When did I text you?
Right now.
I didn't send you a text.
You sent me like 3 photos.
Oh, took them off.
How'd you do that?
With an app.
Rich folks. People are gonna be like, what is wrong with you? Peace out.
I just
Vlogging.
said peace out. Yeah, who said that?
Jack did.
Yeah.
You just gotta post that.
Yeah. Not even edited. When you swear.
No, but.
No.
Well, it's telling me it's sending.
Okay, well.
This lighting is so bad.
I don't know.
She's totally gonna edit this out, so I wouldn't waste your time filming this.
Okay, here we go.
Motherfucker!
Why did you just say that?
Because she was doing ASMR.
Wait, I want to begin this.
Mom, did you take my jewel? I had to. You're addicted. Are you kidding me? You're a whore. You don't mean that. Yes, I do. It was $60 and it was 20.
Hey guys, it's Jose Edna back. You know, at the new vlog. I'm sorry, but the ASMR is not going to put into Jose Edna's vlog. Okay, well, hopefully you liked the fun drive with Jose Edna and Kayla Bro and Kayla Knudsen and Emma and, you know, Alyssa Lippett and the girl I don't know. So I tried to lock her out of the car, but, you know, Kayla wouldn't let me lock her out, but, like, whatever. I might make an Instagram account for Jose Edna. Oh, it's Jerry Edna. Oh, jeez. It's, well, Jose's with an H. But Jerry Edna is Jerry Edna.
You're using a filter.
And if you just look at that, the last photo I took of one of my heads, like, I look like, so, but, like, I can't say that online. So, Kayla, like, bleep that out. So, oh my god!
Congratulations to...
You were the first person to figure out slug. If there's no one, this is just me randomly putting the video, and, you know, you all suck.
Hi. Ready? This is Kayla, say hi.
Let's try again.
Say hi.
My battery's gonna die.
So just say hi. No, say it normally.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay guys, so my battery's dying, but it's 6:30.
Okay guys, hey, so I left the yacht club at like 6:30 something to go back home because I didn't want to have to like wait any longer. My phone was at 1% and my camera battery died in this club, that's why I couldn't finish it. But yeah, I stayed the night even though I fell asleep in the clothes that like I wore because I didn't have any more. But anyway, it was such a fun night, and yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna include some photos that we took in here because this was my first like weekend with the camera, so nobody had seen it before, so we took some nice photos, and yeah, it was pretty good.